we go.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Carolina Autos video. And today we are road tripping the Camaro down to Florida from Charlotte. So it's about a 10-hour drive, and just want to talk a little bit about the ergonomics of the car, see how it does on a pretty long trip. I think we got, about 500 miles? So we'll keep up with like the fuel economy, the comfort. We'll just check in with everybody every hour or so, and maybe do a little bit of POV driving. We are going to go through some rain, so I'll kind of talk about the tires I put on it, the Continentals, DWS 06s I put on here, which are great in the rain. As you can see, it's already kind of rainy out here in Charlotte right now, but it'll be sunny and 80 degrees in Florida, so really looking forward to getting down there and spending New Year's down there. So we'll go ahead and get the trip reset to 0. There we go, 688 miles left to go. 687. All right, well, 50 miles in or so, and yeah, 67 and a 70 in the rain behind everybody. But car's doing good. Our average speed, we had to stop to get some McDonald's. What are you doing? We had to stop and get some McDonald's, but you can see there we're doing 23 miles to the gallon, just because we had to stop a couple times. But current MPG is going to be higher than that because we're doing 65 and barely on the gas. Dealing with the rain, so 650 miles left. Alright, quick update while we're rolling down the road in traffic here, doing like 35 on the highway. We're 100 miles in, and let's see, we've been averaging 24.8 miles per gallon, which is pretty good, and 70 miles an hour, which is not too bad of a moving average. We had to stop for gas once already, filled it up, $56 fill up at $3.85 a gallon for premium in South Carolina. How's the comfort level? Good. She's a woman of many words. You guys can see our current situation. 35 miles an hour. Traffic. Looks like there's an accident. 577 miles to go. And our average speed is coming down every second. But we got out of the rain. Still a little cloudy, but south of here is all clear. No more rain, and we're good. We got into some pretty heavy rain, and the car did really well. I love the tires. A lot better than the good years. Oh, and here must be the reason for our delay. Let's see what these guys are up to. Government employees standing around, looking at a drain. Alright, situation update. 500 miles to go. And we're doing 25 miles to the gallon. Average speed of 62. But we had to get off the highway to avoid traffic. So we're stuck behind this guy. Somewhere in the middle of nowhere, South Carolina. It's pretty out here though. Well, we made it to the lunch stop. We still have like 5 hours to go. We're somewhere in Georgia. But we're gonna get some KFC and Taco Bell. And whoever thought to put those together is a genius. Do you agree? Mm-hmm. She still has a lot to say. You get really bored in traffic sometimes. $530 miles to go, and traffic. Even before we get to Savannah. But let's put it back in regular mode. Oh my God, fix the roads. Traction control on. I don't mind lighting the tires up when it's raining, but they're too expensive to light up when it's dry. So yeah, so you guys can see exactly how the drive's going so far. It's wonderful. Can't see shit. Just want to show everybody the scenery. We're down near Savannah, Georgia. 300 miles to go. And we are now in Florida, just past Jacksonville. Still comfortable. We're giving about 5.5, almost 6 hours on the road. Got 4 left, 300 miles to go. And I'm still comfortable. Are you still comfortable? MMHMM. We found a Mustang. Green Mustang to keep us company. So apparently the strategy to drive through Florida is to just sit in the left lane and well, do barely above the speed limit. So speed limit 65, we're doing about 70, sometimes 75. But let's check on our mileage. Alright, we've gone 395 miles. 24.6 mpg, average speed of 62. 4 hours and 12 minutes left. 300 miles. Pretty out here though. North Florida, just south of Jacksonville, St. Augustine. Good old 95. That traffic. Alright, we pulled off somewhere right off I-95. Fill up the beast. Yes. Let's see what gas is here. Scooch back. Oh. 429. 429 for premium, which is nice. You want to get in? It's Joan's turn to fill up. What? Please, thank you. You don't have no RFID. She's got no RFID on this thing. You like being on camera? No. $4.29 a gallon. It's pretty crazy. Let's get her filled up. This should be the last fill up of the trip.
Don't fill. It's funny because it hasn't asked me for a bit in a long time.
$4.29. TikTok. And there we go. $62.92 to fill up the Camaro with premium. And all right, under 200 miles to go. Just cruising on 95. The longest road in America, apparently. Doing almost 25 mpg. Got our average speed up to 64. We've been doing pretty much 80 for, I don't know, 100 miles probably. So, car's doing good. Still really comfortable. I'm really surprised with how well this car does on such a long drive. The seats are super comfortable. Having these Recaros and the 1LE package, that's the move. The seats in my V6 definitely weren't as comfortable as this. The regular seats. not as well bolstered, and not as much lumbar support. These don't have adjustable lumbar, but they feel really good. I mean, we're going on, what, 8 hours in the car, and I feel fine. Completely fine. The noise from the exhaust gets a little old after a while, but if you still had the dual mode exhaust, that wouldn't be such a big problem. How are you doing comfort-wise?
Feeling pretty good.
That's good. She's feeling pretty good. All right, time for an update. Down below 100 miles. Still going strong. Been averaging probably more like 80 for the last hour. Maybe even a little bit more. So we traded some MPGs. Let's get to the right trip. Traded some MPGs for speed. So we've got our average speed up to 67. MPGs down a little bit, but still around 25. So Camaro's doing great. Nice, long, straight highways. And now 95 is opened up to 4 lanes. Which means I'm not stuck behind people constantly, which is great. And it's dark, so I can't film myself anymore. But we're still pretty comfortable. My right foot's getting tired because it's kind of been hard to use the cruise control because everybody drives 6 different speeds over the course of every mile, so but other than my foot being tired, I am good. So we'll check in with you guys when we get there. All right, everybody, end of the trip. Pretty tired, but that's what 10 hours on the road will do to you. We averaged 68 miles an hour, and as near as makes no difference, 25 mpg. So not too bad at all. Here we are, Boca Raton. You can see the beach on the map. We'll catch up with you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, as you can see, we're back home. The Camaro did great on the road trip. We got in all of our roller skates and equipment, 2 bags of luggage in the trunk, no problem at all. Beach bags, stuff like that. Car did great, ran great, did actually pretty good on fuel economy, as you'll see in the video overall. Got like 25 miles to the gallon on the way back, like 26, 27 on the way there. And we were driving, 80 to 90 through most of Florida. 70 or 80 through Georgia, hit a triple digits a couple times, so it wasn't exactly an economy type drive. So the car did really well, super comfortable. We weren't tired or anything when we got there. 10-hour drive each way, and yeah. So if you're wondering if you can take your Camaro on a long distance road trip, the answer is why not? Absolutely. Now you sacrifice a little bit of cabin storage, of course. But you can get a couple bags, enough for 3 or 4 days away, 5 days away like we did, and no problem at all. So thanks everybody for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you like my content, give me a like. If you don't, let me know what I can do better. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.